Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Courtney with 2 E's. Friends call me Court, other friends call me Double E. Feel free to call me whatever you'd like. So a lot of you are new to my channel because my channel is new. And I want to give you guys the quick tea. So I'm 25, I'm from Atlanta. I have been living in New York for the last 4.5 years and living in Jersey City in this apartment for the last 2. I moved straight down to New Jersey after I finished grad school. So I went to Syracuse University for undergrad and grad. I studied communication and IT in my undergrad and then got my master's in entrepreneurship. And now that I'm living up here, I work full-time as a partnerships manager at a super cool food startup in Manhattan. And when I'm not doing that, I'm running my 2 businesses, The Spread and Thunder Cakes, which are my babies, and you will definitely hear a whole lot more about them. But The Spread is the savory side, Thunder Cakes is the e-commerce bakery side. I've been running Thunder Cakes for 7 years. I've been running The Spread for like 1.5. It's been a really crazy ride. So inevitably, what are we gonna be doing? Lots of food content. We're gonna be doing mini cooking tutorials. We're also going to be getting into some of my DIY projects, which a few of you have asked me about. We're going to be following along with some style things, some decor things, some lifestyle things, some behind the scenes things for all of the dinner parties and events that I throw. And otherwise, we're just gonna be following along on the things that make me happy. So as I'm sure you all will learn, I love cooking, of course. I love baking, I love painting. I sing sometimes, but I probably won't be. Y'all gonna have to pay me a lot of money for me to do that here. I love playing around in makeup, and I'm not sure if that'll end up being kind of what I end up doing on this page either. And I also love brunch, and I really love lemon pepper wings because the Atlanta in me will never die. So I'm really looking forward to getting to know you guys a whole lot better. Please subscribe to your girl, okay? I'm gonna do the things with the buttons and the stuff, and subscribe because I'm excited that you're here and I'm ready to talk to you about oh so many things. Meet you back here in my kitchen. In the meantime, follow me on Instagram. It's Courtney, period, MF, chef. The MF does not stand for mofo. It's my middle and last initial. And you can also follow my other 2 business pages, which are The Spread, that's THE, period, SPRED, there is no A, and then Thunder Cakes, which is all one word. See you soon. Bye.